Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning session. We are discussing the chapter physical and chemical changes. While learning the chemical changes, we have discussed about burning of magnesium ribbon. Then we have discussed about reaction between copper sulfate and iron, that is a displacement reaction. Today we are going to discuss another type of reaction in which we will be discussing about production of a gas. Okay, during a reaction when a gas is produced and that gas will participate to bring about a chemical change. Okay, तो ये एक अलग टाइप की रिएक्शन है जो हम आज पढ़ने वाले हैं. ठीक है, so today and setup is there for the activity. A setup is there. This is the setup. 2 test tubes, 1 U-shaped glass tube. ठीक है, U shape का एक glass tube चाहिए. This is a cork, rubber cork fitted at the end. In 2 test tubes, in test tube number 1 we added vinegar plus baking soda. Vinegar means acetic acid, baking soda sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda and vinegar means acetic acid. Let us write also here. Do not put into formulas, do not get involved into formulas of this substance because this is not the main topic. What we want to learn is concept of chemical change. Okay, and baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda. So when vinegar and baking soda is added together, it has been observed that evolution of gas takes place. Evolution means along with a chemical change, whenever a chemical change takes place, a gas also can be produced. And this is a change. कि ऐड हमने किया विनेगर और बेकिंग सोडा, मिल रहा है CO2 और कोई अलग सब्सटेंस. So which is an indication that vinegar and baking soda when react together they give rise to CO2 plus other substances. Means there are some other substances whose structure is complicated. That's why they have not given the name to us. Okay. So CO2 is the main gas. Now accept the fact that CO2 as a gas will release out. CO2 एक गैस है तो obviously ऊपर आने वाली है. So rather than letting it go release into the atmosphere, what we did, we added a cork so that it should not escape out, and from that cork we added a tube. Okay, so here a tube is there. So this tube, through this glass tube the evolved gas, that is whatever gas is being evolved after the reaction, which gas is evolved? CO2. This gas is supposed to pass to lime water. And what kind of reaction will it show when the CO2 is passed through lime water? What will happen when the CO2, let us look in the form of reaction. Okay, so here I am writing the reaction. When CO2 is passed through लाइम वाटर. लाइम वाटर मतलब क्या? जो चूना आप लोगों को पता है उसको पानी के अंदर हमने मिक्स कर दिया. ठीक है, ऑल्दो द लाइम वाटर इज स्लाइटली मिल्की बट इट इज नॉट टोटली मिल्की. पूरी तरह से मिल्की नहीं होता है, हमने थोड़ा सा ही डाला है. ओके, सो दिस इज द लाइम वाटर. एंड व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ लाइम वाटर? CaOH/2. CaOH/2. Whenever 2 is written below the bracket, then we read it by 2. Okay, CO2 plus CaOH/2. This CaOH/2 means the nothing but lime water. Okay, and it leads to what happens when the CO2 is mixed. So listen carefully. Whenever CO2 is allowed to pass in lime water, it changes its color to milky. It changes its texture to milky white. And why this change in texture is there? Why there was a need of changing the texture? Why the color or the texture of the solution of lime water changed? Because it is a chemical change and it got reacted. What is the product form? The product formed here is calcium carbonate, and the calcium carbonate formula is CaCO3, CaCO3, ठीक है, CaCO3 is the formula of calcium along with the release of water molecules, along with the water molecules. So the formation of calcium carbonate here, it indicates that this reaction is a chemical change as a new compound is formed. As it is clearly visible here that a new compound is formed, so this is an indication of formation of a new compound, which means it is a chemical change. Okay, so in this way, when the carbon dioxide is allowed to pass through lime water, then it leads to formation of calcium carbonate, which changes the lime water to turn into milky. Okay, so this is about the chemical change. So this is an activity 6.8 we just now discussed. Now along with the chemical change, along with the formation of new substances, there is also some changes that takes place. There are also some changes that takes place. Which are these changes? Have a look at it. Heat, light may be given off or absorbed. Whenever a new substance is going to form, like we studied, like we learned in the burning of magnesium ribbon, what happens in that? The flame arises. एक flame आता है ना white color का, जब उसको burn करते हैं, because it is reacting with oxygen, right? So heat or light may be given off or it may be absorbed as well. So during a chemical change, this might happen. Sound may be produced, just like here. Here as the bubbles of CO2 are coming inside lime water, the hissy sound, ठीक है, bubbles का जो sound होता है, you can imagine, so that sound of bubbles comes. Okay, sound may come. Change in smell, laboratory में बहुत बार होता है कि जब कोई particular chemical बन रहा होता है तो एक pungent smell आती है, वो smell पूरे lab में फैल जाती है और उसका smell बाहर के लोगों को भी irritate करता है. Many substances are having pungent smell. Pungent means irritating smells. Okay. So that is also an indication of chemical change. If a solution is giving a pungent smell, it means that it is a chemical change during a reaction. Okay, normally not during a reaction. Release of gas, as we learned in this process, ये CO2 release हो गया, vinegar and baking soda when mixed together, it released a gas called CO2. So it is a clear indication that this is accompanied along with a new substance. नया substance तो बन ही रहा है, but gas भी release हो सकता है, ठीक है. Then change in color, yes, here also lime water was not that much milky, but it got converted into milky texture, right? So this is a true example of chemical changes. These all other changes can also be accompanied along with the new substance formation. नया substance तो chemical changes में बनता ही है, but उसके साथ इसमें से भी कुछ points हमको देखने को मिलते हैं. Yes, so this is about the activity 6.8 and this is about the changes that are accompanied along with the formation of a new substance. Okay, and the next portion is rusting of iron, and rusting of iron, that will be the final video of the lesson, and after that the sixth lesson will be completed. All right, so I hope you have understood this concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the interactive session. Thank you.